Hi, friends! Welcome to Twinkle Giggles Fun. Are you ready to sing, learn, and play? Today, we're going to explore the alphabet from A to Z with fun sounds, bright pictures, and happy voices. Let's learn phonics together, one letter at a time. Come on, let's begin. A says eh. Ah, for apple. Apple is red. B says B. Baba for ball. Bounce, bounce. Let's play with the ball. C says K. Cuckoo for cat. Cat goes meow. D says D. Da-da for duck. Splash, splash. The duck loves the water. E says E. A for elephant. Elephant big and strong. F says F. F for fish. Fish swims fast. G says G. G for giraffe. Giraffe stand tall and high. H says I. For hat. A hat keeps our head warm and cool. I says I-E for ice cream. Yum, yum. Ice cream is cold and sweet. J says daisy. Juja for jump. Jump up high. K says K. Cuckoo for kite. Kite in the sky. L says L. Loo for lion. Roar, roar. The lion is the king of the jungle. M says M. Mama for monkey. Swing, swing. The monkey loves to climb trees. N says N. No for nest. Tweet, tweet. Bird nest is warm and cozy. O says A. O for octopus. Wiggle, wiggle. The octopus moves its 8 arms. P says P. Poo for popcorn. Pop, pop. The popcorn is hot and tasty. Q says KW. Cuckoo for queen. Wave, wave. The queen wears a shiny crown. R says R. Roo for rabbit. Hop, hop. Rabbit runs so fast. S says S. Sass for sun. Shine, shine. The sun makes the day bright and warm. T says T. Ta-ta for telephone. Ring, ring. Let's call a friend and say hello. U says for umbrella. Umbrella up so high. Open up. The umbrella keeps us dry in the rain. V says V. V for van. Van goes vroom. Vroom, vroom. The van drives down the road. W says W. Woo for whale. Splash, splash. The whale jumps in the big ocean. X says K's. Quascus for xylophone. Ping, ping. The xylophone plays happy music. Y says Y. For yak. Moo, moo. The yak lives in the cold mountains. Z says Z. For a zebra. Clip, clop. The zebra has black and white stripes. Wow, you did it! We've learned all the letters from A to Z with fun sounds and words. Wasn't that amazing? Thank you for singing and learning with us today on Twinkle Giggles Fun. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning. See you next time, friends! Bye-bye!